Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your phone number on ID.me. First, open your web browser and go to the ID.me website. After signing in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. From here, look for your ID.me wallet. This is where your personal account details are stored. Click to open your wallet and continue to your profile settings. Now, find the option labeled Sign In and Security. This section contains your login details, including your phone number. Click on this tab to open the settings. Scroll down until you see your current phone number listed. Next to it, you will find an option that says Edit. Click on Edit to begin updating your number. Enter your new phone number in the field provided. Make sure you type it correctly, including the correct country code if needed. Once you enter the number, ID.me may ask you to verify it. This usually involves receiving a code by text message or phone call. Enter the verification code to confirm the new number. After verification is complete, your phone number will be updated. Always double-check that the new number appears correctly in your profile. Thanks for watching.